Guacamole is a Mexican avocado-based dip or salad. Coming to avocados, they are highly nutritious and contain more than 20 different minerals and vitamins. Moreover, they are high in monosaturated fatty acids, which help to lower the bad cholesterol level in our body. So, without wasting any time, let's jump into the recipe. I have taken 2 ripe avocados. Let's cut it into half. Just twist it and open it. With the help of a spoon, let's scoop out the avocado meat. Ensure that you scoop out the dark green part of the avocado as it contains most of the nutrients. Let's scoop out the rest. So we have scooped out all the avocado. Now, using a masher, let's smash the avocado. The avocado tends to turn black very soon. To prevent that, we need to add some acid to the avocados. Let's add lime juice. Mix it. Please find the exact measurement and the direction to make in the description box below. Now let's add rest of the ingredients. Finely chopped tomatoes, finely chopped jalapenos, finely chopped onion, minced garlic, salt and crushed pepper. Add a generous amount of salt because avocados tend to drink salt. Roasted cumin powder and finely chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Mix everything together. Lastly, let's drizzle some olive oil and give it a final mix. In no time, our healthy avocado guacamole is ready. Let's drizzle some more olive oil. I'll garnish it with a cherry tomato, few coriander leaves and chips. So our healthy guacamole is ready to be eaten. Serve this guacamole with any kind of chips. Use it in salad dressing or as a sandwich spread. It is super healthy and delicious. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out to be. Now you would be thinking, what's tortilla? Let me explain to you. We all eat roti or chapati every day, and this roti is known as tortilla in Spanish. Let's start by preparing the dough for the tortilla. Take equal quantities of whole wheat flour and all-purpose flour, salt to taste, give a mix, add water and combine to make a soft chapati-like dough. Coat it with oil, cover and allow it to rest for 15 minutes. Slightly knead the dough. Divide the dough into small portions. Sprinkle some dry flour. Using a rolling pin, roll it to give a round shape. I try to make a big round so that it can be stuffed nicely. This goes on a hot tawa. Cook both sides until they have light brown spots. Using a kitchen towel, press at the end so that it's cooked nicely. It should be half cooked, don't cook like chapati or paratha. Put it in a kitchen towel and wrap it so that it stays soft. You can use store-bought tortilla or leftover rotis as well. Now let's start making the vegetable filling. In a pan, add oil, onion, minced garlic, green chilies or jalapenos, zucchini, carrots. Give a mix and then cover and cook for 5 minutes at medium heat. Next, I'm going to add red bell pepper, capsicum, tomatoes and boiled corn. You can add any vegetable of your choice like cauliflower, beans, peas, potatoes, anything which is available in your kitchen. Red chili powder, cumin powder, oregano. Toss it nicely and cook uncovered at medium heat for another 5 minutes. Lastly, add fresh coriander leaves and give a mix. Allow it to cool. If you have eaten Mexican food, then you might guess my next ingredient. Yes, it's Rajma or kidney beans. I have soaked and boiled them already. Using a fork, I'm going to mash the Rajma. Boil it nicely so that it's easy to mash. If you don't like beans, you can substitute it with guacamole as well. Tomato ketchup and some lemon juice. Give a nice mix. All our components are ready and now it's time to assemble them and make our quesadillas. Take a tortilla. Spread the mashed beans mixture on half of the circle. Next, spread a layer of vegetable filling. Then comes the cheese. It's a blend of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Put as much as you like and then cover it with the other half. Press gently so that it sticks to the cheese. Apply oil on a grill pan and then put the quesadilla. Put oil and cook on medium heat. Press with a spatula so that it gets those nice grill marks. Using 2 spatulas, flip it and cook the other side as well. If you don't have a grill pan, then you can use a normal pan or tawa. It works perfect. Only thing is the grill pan gives the stripes which look fab, otherwise taste is same. This one I'm cooking on tawa. I'm going to cut it into triangles and then serve with guacamole or sour cream. There are some basic ingredients used in Mexican cooking like beans, avocado, peppers, corn and cheese, which makes it healthy, filling and delicious. You can make quesadillas for lunch, dinner, snacks or for lunchbox as well. I'm sure all kids will love it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay Foods and please don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.